So today we're gonna be replacing the charcoal canister on this 2008-2009 Jeep Patriot. It has issues with filling up gas on the fuel tank, where it basically stops after a gallon, and then you have to repeatedly push the pump again to completely fill it. So this is actually located at the back near the rear bumper. So it's over here, pretty accessible. So it looks like this is secured by a bolt in here, or probably a nut. Yep. And another nut in here. Then you have to remove this hose and this I forgot the name of this one. This is your pump, actually, like leak detection pump. So try to figure out how to remove this without removing this hose. And then there's an electrical connector here. So first, I think it's easy to remove this electrical connector, I think. Let's see. They're not that easy, so try to figure it out. Okay, this one probably you need to put a screwdriver, flathead it in there, and push it up. And I'm not so sure about this one. Probably you need to expand the tabs of this. It's a different plug. I got the 2 bolts on top to remove the whole assembly, and then just disconnected the hose. And I have trouble with this one because the clip that's supposed to slide out broke because of old age. Yep. So I have difficulty extracting it out, and it cannot slide out. So I finally got it out. The 5-minute job turned out to be a 1-hour job, trying to remove these plastic parts in here. It's kind of hard to remove it because of the hose orientation. You have like limited space to poke it around and move that stuff. Yeah, you're just supposed to like slide it off and then it should come out, but since the plastic is brittle, it broke off. So yeah, expect your job to be like this. This is the old canister. I don't know if, oh, this is molded. It's not even, I think it was replaced before. So we're gonna move this bracket to this new one, and then we're gonna move this leak detection pump over, and this one has a lock mechanism that you push down, and once you push it down you could rotate it. I cannot do it with one hand using the camera. You're not supposed to push it down, you need to push it up so that it will not be in the notch, and then you rotate it. Yep. So that's inside of your leak detection pump. This is an aftermarket part, so that's why it didn't last. It's only like 110,000 miles. Well, I don't know when was the last replacement, but that's the bolt. It's a number 12. Then the new part comes with an O-ring that you put in here. So I'm gonna put some grease on this one before putting it, and the new one in. this in place. The bracket. This other side, put the new one. So this one goes down here. This done, and this is ready to put back in place. Yeah, you could put the hose back in, then the electrical connector for the leak detection pump, and then get the bolt over here. Yeah, it's over here, and then there's another one over here. It goes over here. Yeah, put this one over here. So I got it all bolted up. So this bolt over here, and this bolt over here. And since this clip is broken and I cannot find a replacement for that, even in the dealership, they want me to buy the whole hose assembly for this. So we'll see if it leaks, then we're gonna replace it with some sort of an elbow adapter with some clips, regular clips, you know, worm gear clips. Yeah, we don't want to buy that whole thing. I don't know how much does it cost, but yeah, it's not gonna be cheap. And routing that one in front of the engine is gonna be like a big mess actually. So we'll see.